It's really cold. It's the most these cars I've ever seen. Look at Chateau. I'm out here in a t-shirt. Don't believe me? Out here in a t-shirt.
What is going on? Man, we never get snow in Texas, but today we got snow. Look at all this snow. Look at Chateau behind me. I got a little bored, a little bit of cabin fever. So look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go for a little bike ride. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck.
Woo, it's cold. Let's see. Let's hope the camera holds up on this.
People are gonna think I'm crazy, but you know what? Let's see what we can do. You see that four-wheeler? Look at that. I got a four-wheeler, I got a bicycle.
Oh yeah.
Feels pretty good in the sun.
Trying to find a good spot. Maybe we should do some wheelies. Not some wheelies. Oh, some donuts. Looks like somebody already came. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Let's go back home.
backyard. Oh. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.